Hey you, welcome back to my channel. I'm Cammielle and this is a face rolling video. First, I applied this gel face mask after I was out of the shower, and then I only applied this on with the Aquaphor later. And now it's time to cleanse the face roller. I take an alcohol pad, or if I don't have that, I'll use alcohol and some tissue and clean the area, and also the handle. You never know, it could get you may want to use the handle onto your face, but I don't. Anyway, it is ready. I wait a few seconds for it to dry just because why not, but yeah, here we go. I first, whilst doing this, did it wrong. You're supposed to do this going downwards, but I was going upwards, which I shouldn't have, because your lymph nodes are near the collarbone. And in her video, she did it 3 times going upwards. Not upwards, downwards toward the lymph nodes. And she said not to do too much pressure, just enough. So I would say as if you're trying to find your pulse on your neck is kind of like a good amount of pressure. Because if you find your pulse and you feel it, that's the amount you should go while you're going downwards. I don't like going right in front where the neck is a little bit exposed. So I kind of don't like going there, so I separate it so I'm hitting the muscles on the side, not right in the middle of the neck. And I also went behind the ear, whereas in the video I watched, she didn't go near the ear, but I did in this one. But yeah, so it's not exact, you have to go 3 strokes, but gradually start from the stroking closest to the lymph nodes, and then gradually go further out and bring it down is what she was kind of going towards. And then now with the chin, I don't do 3 strokes, maybe around 10. Kind of want to sculpt the jaw and just go up to where I'm stopping right at, kind of near the dimple, not necessarily very near the eye area, and just concentrate doing that, and then going on the other side. And she said there was a little lymph node near where I'm stopping, kind of like to drain it, but there are a lot of videos out there on YouTube where you are not using a tool as this face roller, and it's a lot to handle. You don't really necessarily know which is the right way, but with this, I have prominent cheekbones, and the amount of pressure I was using was a little bit too much, and then my hair was getting in the way, so I tend to go underneath the cheekbone and toward that lymph node stopping point, and then I kind of went a little above the cheekbone a few times. And then you're not supposed to do this, but I kind of forgot, but I don't go completely over the eye because I don't want anything irritating it, and I'm very sensitive with my eyes, so I didn't want to do that. I kind of just look up and make sure the face roller is not touching my eyelashes while I do that, and I think only do it 3 times, maybe 4, and then stop. As much it's dedicated to depuffing, I don't tend to do that. But this right here in the middle, that is not what she did, but I did that just because I thought I needed it, since there wasn't much of attention toward the nose area. But with the forehead, you just go right past the middle of the forehead and stroke to one side to the stopping area. And I was just checking to see, because there are little like bumps you can feel on the forehead, which I think you're targeting the massage toward to, I guess, smooth that out. and do it on the other side for as much as you feel. Just aim for the 3 strokes, and then if you surpass that and you want to continue, do as you must. And then you don't need to do that. You don't need to work. I didn't do much on the lip area, but I forgot. But I didn't do much because I don't know. I didn't. So now I'm coming to a close, and so like and subscribe and embrace joy.